Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 Review. AI breakthrough and best flip phone yet? Imagine a phone that's not just a device, but an experience. A sleek, foldable design that fits perfectly in your pocket, packed with the latest AI technology. Welcome to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, a game-changing flip phone that's about to revolutionize the way you interact with your mobile device. But here's the thing. With a price tag of $1,099.99, is it worth the investment? Let's dive in and find out. The Galaxy Z Flip May 7th looks similar to its predecessor, the Z Flip 6, but don't let that fool you. Samsung has made some significant tweaks to the design, resulting in a more user-friendly device with larger, brighter screens and a plethora of AI features. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, 500,000 folds and beyond. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7's display is built to endure an astonishing 500,000 folds, according to rigorous testing, an achievement that could redefine how we think about the durability of foldable smartphones. But here's where it gets controversial. Can any phone truly withstand that kind of wear and tear in everyday use? Samsung Display, SDC, confidently claims yes, revealing on Tuesday that their newest foldable OLED screen remained fully operational after undergoing a durability test involving 500,000 folds. This figure more than doubles their previous record of 200,000 folds, setting a new industry standard. The testing was conducted by Bureau Veritas, a renowned French company specializing in inspection, testing, and certification. Over a span of 13 days, the screen was folded and unfolded repeatedly at a controlled temperature of 25 degrees Celsius 77 degrees Fahrenheit to simulate real-world conditions. To put this into perspective, 500,000 folds means that an average user who folds their phone about 100 times daily could theoretically use the device for 10 years without the screen failing. Even power users, folding their phone 200 times a day, could expect it to last around 6 years. Samsung Display, which operates independently from Samsung Electronics, emphasizes that these durability milestones demonstrate that the lifespan of foldable smartphones is no longer limited by the fragility of their screens. As foldable OLED technology enters its 7th year on the market, we've reached a significant breakthrough in both durability and design, said Hojung Lee, Executive Vice President at Samsung Display, in an official statement. This new panel is designed to boost consumer confidence in the longevity and reliability of foldable OLED displays. One of the key innovations behind this durability leap is the application of bulletproof glass technology principles. Samsung Display increased the thickness of its ultra-thin glass, the outermost protective layer of the screen, by 50%, making it much more resistant to damage. Additionally, they incorporated a high-elasticity adhesive between each layer of the screen, which improves the screen's ability to recover from folds by a factor of 4 compared to previous models. Adding another layer to the foldable phone conversation, CNET recently reported that Apple has partnered with Samsung Display to produce the screens for its first foldable iPhone, expected to launch in summer 2026. This collaboration highlights Samsung Display's leading role in foldable screen technology and suggests that foldables are becoming more mainstream. However, unmissable pre-order deals on Samsung foldable phones. Attention all tech enthusiasts and gadget lovers. We've got some exciting news about Samsung's foldable phones and the incredible deals that come with them. But here's the catch. These offers are only available for a limited time, so you'll want to act fast. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, the ultimate foldable experience. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a powerhouse device, offering an impressive 8-inch OLED screen, a high-resolution 200MP camera, and the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. With a 4,400 mAh battery, it promises an exceptional performance. And let's not forget the Galaxy AI experience, which enhances your camera and search capabilities. One of the most exciting features is Samsung's improved folding hinge, which aims to reduce the visibility of the crease, giving you a seamless viewing experience. While the price tag of $1,999.99 might make you pause, consider the incredible freebies you get with your pre-order. You'll receive a free storage upgrade and a $300 Amazon gift card, adding up to a total of $420 in savings. That's a significant chunk of change, And with such premium specs, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. AI meets flexibility. For those who prefer a more compact and affordable option, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is an excellent choice. With a 6.9-inch main display and a 4.1-inch flex window outer display, it's a pocket-sized powerhouse. The 50MP camera and AI tools make it a selfie enthusiast's dream. And at just 13.74mm thick when folded, it's the slimmest Z Flip yet. Pre-order deals for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 include a $200 Amazon gift card and a free 512GB storage upgrade. That's a fantastic deal, especially considering the phone's capabilities and its position as a more budget-friendly option compared to the Fold. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, the budget-friendly foldable. If you're looking for an even more affordable option, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is a great choice. With a 6.7-inch main display and a 3.4-inch front display, it offers a similar experience to its pricier counterpart. The Exynos chipset and 8GB of RAM ensure smooth performance for everyday tasks. Pre-order deals for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE include a $100 Amazon gift card and a free upgrade to 256GB of storage, totaling $160 in freebies. While the performance upgrade might not be noticeable for casual users, the savings are significant, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. And this is the part most people miss: the IP48 rating. All three devices in the Z lineup boast this rating, which means they're protected against water and dust. So, you can rest assured that your foldable phone will withstand everyday use and accidental splashes. So, which device will you choose? The powerful Galaxy Z Fold 7, the sleek and AI-powered Galaxy Z Flip 7, or the budget-friendly Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Remember, these pre-order deals are only available for a limited time, so don't miss out on the chance to grab these foldable phones with some fantastic freebies. And if you're still on the fence, check out our list of the best foldable phones to explore other options. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Are you excited about Samsung's foldable phones? Which device piques your interest the most, and why? We'd love to hear your opinions and start a discussion about these innovative devices.